Ready? Okay, to start working, open your Uno ebook, please, on page number 55. Read carefully the instructions, okay? In the activity number 3, it says, analyze the words below. Check the adjectives. Remember to read carefully the instructions. It says check. Remember what is a check mark? This is a check mark, okay? And it says the adjectives. What is an adjective? When you describe a place, a person, or a thing, okay? That's an adjective. It's a description. You have 2, 4, 6, 8 examples. You are going to check the ones that are only adjectives, okay? Example, it says beautiful is an adjective or is not an adjective. Fantastic is an adjective or is not. Park, it is. No. Nice, it is an adjective or it is not an adjective. Community, it is an adjective or no. Clean, hot, small. Read carefully those words, okay? Because you're going to check the ones who are adjectives. Then, in the instruction number 4, it says, get into teams of 3 and find 5 words to describe your community. Write 5 adjectives to describe your community in the space below. When you finish, compare your adjectives with the ones of other teams in the class, okay? In the space below of the activity number 4, you're going to write 5 examples or 5 adjectives of your community. Remember what is a community? Here you have a picture of a community. So you're going to describe, to make adjectives of your community. My community is very clean. My community is big. My community is, I don't know. Think about it. How is your community? Okay, you're going to make 5 examples. I already told you 2. You do the other, your 5. Now, when you're finished, it's go to the next page and the last one. It's the page number 56. Okay? Here, we will talk about a synonym and we will talk about an antonym. Remember what is a synonym and what is an antonym? I'm going to read it, okay? Please follow the reading on your book. It's in the square, green. It's in the top of your book. It says, a synonym is a word that has a similar meaning to another word. Example, the words happy and glad are synonyms. Remember what is a synonym? In class, I made an example. Do you remember? I put my 2 hands in front and I said, my hands are similar. But what is the difference? That this hand has a ring and this hand doesn't have a ring. Okay, so this can be an example of a synonym. Here you have an example of happy and glad. It's the same. I am very happy to see you, or I am very glad to see you. Okay? And then an antonym. It says, an antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning of another word. Example, the word hot and cold are antonyms. Okay, antonym, easy. I'm going to put my both hands in front here. But I'm going to change this one. This hand is the opposite of this hand. Or this hand is the opposite of this hand. Okay? That's an antonym. Opposites. Here it says hot, cold. Or for example, happy or mad. Okay? That is an antonym. So, we are ready to answer the activity number 1 of the page number 56. Okay? It says, read the information on your left. Complete the charts and write each pair of words in the correct column. You have 3, 6, 9 examples here. You're going to write it in the correct column. You have synonyms and you have antonyms. Remember what it's a synonym? When they are the same meaning. This hand is the same, but this hand, but it has something different, okay? But it's the same. And what is an antonym? When I have my both hands here, this one is the opposite of this one, or this one is the opposite of this one, okay? Now, you're ready to answer the page, and that's all for today, kids. Have fun and have a beautiful day.